Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. Welcome to our tutorial on how to access our PIBG database. Before we start, as you can see, this is the login screen where only authorized personnel can access the database. If you are not the authorized personnel, you don't have the authorization to make changes. So basically, in this situation, the authorized personnel is Dr. Howard. So firstly, enter the username and password. And press login. So, tada! Welcome to SMKDAR Ahmad Razali PIBG database homepage. So, once you log in, you will see three options that are member, finance, and activity options. The member option is the place where all the lists of the parents and teachers each year will be recorded and listed there. Meanwhile, for finance option is where the income and expenditure of the schools will be updated there. And the last option is activity option. All of the school's activity will be updated here. So let's start with clicking the members option. So once you click it, you will see another three further options. There are member reports option, new members option, and edit member options. If you want to view the list of all the name of teachers, parents, and their children name, you may click to members report option. The list is being sorted according to the year, and as you can see, the updated year are being shown first, that is year 2015/2016. For each year, it is being sorted by listing the organizational structure of the PIBG first, following the list name of the parents and their children name. So, if you are interested in having a hard copy, you may print it by clicking this button. So after finishing viewing the members report, you just click the close button. So there will be a situation where a new member will join the school PIBG. Therefore, the authorized personnel can just click the new member option and fill in the particular data. So here are the example in registering a new member. So this year is 2016/2017. So the position of the new members, let's say, is a director. And the name of the person is Ali bin Abu. Meanwhile, the child's name is Bakar bin Ali. That is from class of 5A. If you're satisfied in the informations, click the save button. If you want to cancel it, you can click the delete button. So let's check whether the informations are in the database. So click members report button and tada! You can see the name of Ali bin Abu name is there. So moving on, you may also can edit the existing data of the new members. You can click the edit members and the members record will be appear. You can edit and correct the data whichever part, and you may also delete all the informations of that one member. So let's proceed with the finance option. Click it and there will be three further options, that is view report options, new record options, and edit record options. If you want to view the list of finance data of the schools, you may click the view report option. The finance data is listed down by updated year. The finance data is consisting of income, expenditure, and the activities linked with it, plus the amount of money charged and received. You may also want to print the finance data by clicking this button. Other than that, if there is a new records regarding on financial matter, you can add it by clicking the new records option. So here are the example in adding new data. We choose the current year 2016/2017. You may choose whether it is the financial information is on income or expenditure. So fill in the details and the amount related. If you satisfied in the data, you can click the save button, and if you want to delete it, you can click the delete button. So let's check whether the information is in the finance database. Click in view reports and voila, the informations are there. If you didn't satisfied with the existing finance data, you may click edit records option and correct the existing finance data. You may either save it or delete it. So let's proceed with the last option, that is activity option. Click it and there will be 3 further options, that is view activity option, new activity options and edit activity options. If you want to view the list of activities of the schools, you may click the view option. The activities are being divided into 4 categories, which are academic, co-curricular, student affairs and others. For this list, it consists of the name of program manager who are in charge on each of the activities. The amount of expenditure also incurred in this list. You may also print it and have a hard copy of it by clicking this button. Other than that, if there is new records on the school activity, you can add it by clicking the new activities option. So here are the example in adding the new data. We choose the current year 2016/2017. You may choose the specific unit and fill in the data and amount incurred. You may also state the date, the program manager's name involved. If you satisfied in the data, you can click the save button. If you want to delete it, you can click the delete button. So let's check whether the information is in the activities database. Voila! The new information are there. If you didn't satisfied with the existing activities data, you may click edit record options and correct the existing activity data. You may either save it or delete it. So there is basically the overall system that can simplify, monitor and record all the activities undertaken by the school and PIBG. This system manages data efficiently and allow users to perform multiple tasks with ease. We are inspired from the concept used by Apple with minimalist style, and this criterion make this system user-friendly with beautiful interface. Thank you and Assalamualaikum. Oh yeah, don't forget to log out from the system so that no unauthorized person can hack into the system. Again, Assalamualaikum.